Hello everyone, wishing you all a very warm welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus and question pattern of 5th semester English honors of Calcutta University. So we have total 4 papers in this semester, 2 core course papers and 2 DSE papers. For core course we have CC11 and CC12, and for DSE we have DSE A1 or A2 and DSE B1 or DSE B2. So let's begin with the core course papers. In CC11 we have 3 sections: poetry, fiction and non-fiction. In poetry we have 3 poems, and according to end semester question pattern there will be 2 questions of 15 marks and we have to attend any one. So I will suggest you to select Emily Dickinson's I Can't Live With You and Elizabeth Barrett Browning's How Do I Love Thee, because these 2 poems are quite easy to understand. Okay. Next comes the fiction. Here we have to attend any 2 questions of 15 marks out of 3. So I will suggest you to select Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights and Mahershala Devi's Draupadi. And I think these are quite easy for attending an exam. Okay. Now coming to the non-fiction portions. According to last semester's questions pattern, there will be 2 questions of 15 marks. We have to attend one. So we have to prepare both Mary Wollstonecraft's Vindication of the Rights of Women and Rasundari Devi's Amar Jeevan. Okay. So in last the question pattern seems like that 4 question of 15 marks and 5 question of 1 marks, in total 65. Okay. Now coming to the next CC paper, CC12. Here we have to read about the early 20th century British literature. So here we also have 3 sections: poetry, fiction and drama. And according to last semester question pattern, from poetry we have to attend 1 question of 15 marks out of 2. So you can select The Second Coming and No Second Troy by W.B. Yeats and Spring Offensive by Wilfred Owen in this section. Okay. Next coming to the fiction. Here we have to attend 2 questions of 15 marks out of 4. So in this section I will suggest you to choose Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness and D.H. Lawrence's Sons and Lovers, both, because we have no option here. Okay. So next coming to the drama. Here we have to attend 1 question of 15 marks out of 2. So there is no other option. As you can see, we have to prepare Joseph Conrad's Pygmalion. Okay. Now coming to the DSE papers. So in this section you can choose DSE A1 or A2 and B1 or B2, but my suggestion is DSE A1 and B1. So I will guide you through DSE A1 first. Okay. So from DSE A1 you have to attend 1 question of 15 marks out of 2 from stories. From story section, so I will suggest you the first 2 stories: Munshi Premchand's Shroud and The Quilt by Ismat Chugtai. And next comes the poetry section. Here we have to attend 1 question of 15 marks out of 2. So here you can select the 2 poems by Rabindranath Tagore, Light, Oh Where Is the Light, and When My Play Was With Thee, and The Void by G.A. Muktibodh. These 2 poems are very easy, so you can choose this. Okay. Next coming to the novel portion. Here we have to attend 1 question of 15 marks out of 2. So you have to prepare The Home and the World by Rabindranath Tagore as we have no other option. Okay, now coming to the drama section from DSC A1 paper. In this section, you have to attend one question of 15 marks out of 2. So you have to prepare Silence the Court is in Session by Vijay Tendulkar, as the question pattern says. Okay, so the question pattern in the last looks like 4 questions of 15 marks and 5 questions of 1 marks. Now coming to the DSC Beyond paper. Here, as you can see, we have 3 sections: literary types, rhetoric, and prosody. And here the twist is that you have to understand these 3 sections and learn these 3 sections very carefully, because there is no specific book for these sections. So how much better you will understand and learn these sections, your marks will be that good. Okay, so this lecture ends here, and if you want videos on each sections of these 4 papers, then please like and subscribe this channel. And if you want the texts of these 3 papers, CC 11, 12 and DSC Beyond, any text, then message me on the WhatsApp number given below. Thank you for watching the video.